same height.
And it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down. Sometimes love comes around. And it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down.
We're walking to the grill right now, you guys. And a couple mishaps, but we're gonna get through it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
And you ran as hell last and then she won't last too.
I know.
That's what she said.
What's always something
Just
to
surround us, you know?
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Back to you.
You're right.
How you surround yourself.
Yeah. Oh my God, boy. Surround yourself with positive people. Positive people.
Positive vibes.
Yes.
Good spirits.
I forgot to press record.
Without getting lost?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying that because I don't know how to do this.
Oh, it's okay.
She don't like it upstairs.
I know how to get back over here. This.
I'll go with her. I'll go with her.
You
What do you
upstairs,
think,
you might get to
Brandon?
the apartment and everything come back?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You sure?
Trust me.
It's your woman right here.
She gonna be like, I got lost.
I probably am, but I'm gonna find my way back.
She
Yeah, I can go with you. I can go with you.
It's okay. I got it.
Door doesn't open them tracks.
I got
Like,
it.
Mookie, come get me. I'm gonna be like, Mookie ain't
Get your cell phone on you, then.
Yeah, I got it.
Mookie about to eat.
Yeah, I am always getting lost, but I think I can manage.
So see the BWA bag. You know, I ain't gonna never leave home without it. Can't. You said what, baby? What you say?
I said BWA, baby.
That's right, BWA, baby. We represent. You represent that BWA, baby. We got Josh in the building.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Hey,
Hi.
hey. This is young Alton right there. Young, energetic. You know,
Grills, crusty.
grills. I ain't talking about the ones in mouth. I'm talking about the ones that we about to cook on. You know what I mean?
Now recording.
There's no sign there, but
We're
you
having
go straight.
technical difficulties. My Booka has just been discovered missing. She's
Yes.
currently
You see that
lost at the
sign right
moment.
in the
Can't
door?
find her way back to the cookout,
You go
the grilling
straight.
area. So, in a moment, we'll give you guys an update.
So,
See
okay, honey, okay.
where what's her
elevator? Are you in the
location.
elevator?
And right now, she's been missing for 5 minutes. It's taking her a bit to get back down the steps.
I don't know the apartment number.
You know, usual.
Okay, so when you go off the
Currently,
elevator,
my
you go to
sister's
the
on the phone with her,
straight. You'll
Josh, so
go
she's
straight
trying to
and you
explain
go out
to
the
her.
door.
She'll be back
Where's
soon.
this exit?
I told you. Did I tell you all?
Yep, you told her. You told her she was gonna be missing. She said, "You know what? I can go my way around."
I told you guys don't leave my baby out to dry like that.
And
Okay, ladies, they're back. So here we go.
let's
First
see
of
what
all-
the heck. What's her?
First of all, let me tell you
Let me
one
go.
guys. Booka's in action working, you guys.
You know.
You have a lot of time in your hand right now, so you check it out now. Hey, look, guarantee you love it.
So, Miss Daniela, how, why did you
Get lost.
Yes, didn't you say that? Excuse me.
I was trying to fake for the camera.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
really? The camera.
So, we know we're not supposed to put aluminum foil. That's about all that we got out of that.
Yeah. Step 1, don't use aluminum foil.
Yes.
2, we don't know.
Yes.
As we go.
Yeah. Learn as we go.
I'm scared.
Mommy, do you
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm
I
doing.
wouldn't use it.
just lay down, lay down, lay down.
I need to learn though.
But
Make
you
sure
know
you
what
got
we
a
should
good
have
angle.
did? We don't have the spray. You know, you should where you wipe the grill.
Yeah, we don't have no spare enough.
Yeah, the spray. So you know you need to do. I'm gonna tell you, I got a better idea. Better idea.
What do you think?
Do half and half. Some of the food put the holes in no oil. Some food put the oil.
Put them on a stick. Okay.
Oh, there's
sis.
shrimp kebabs. Okay.
She was nice enough to loan us her kebabs.
Was she?
I need to watch this game. You gonna be out here?
Who's playing tonight? Oh, this even work?
Last game.
Does that work?
It don't look like
They
it.
acting like he's doing something.
What's
He got
Michelle
his
saying?
aluminum foil in his hand.
I listened to
It
your
doesn't look like it.
commentary.
Yeah. Oh, what she said?
Uh-oh, he putting the gloves on,
Hey,
y'all.
I don't like to let everybody know my secrets on my cooking, right? But today I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. So don't y'all be cheating and trying to steal my flavors because you gonna have to pay for that. You know, I will take your ass to court.
by all means. Let's do it. We won't cook. I can cook up a storm when I feel like it.
Where you feel like it.
And I want to.
Babe, what you doing? What you doing right now?
Making sure they tender, you know what I'm saying? They come out.
Oh, okay.
Mind your business, though. That's all you gotta do is mind your business, eat.
Boy, he has no idea who he's coming.
That boy eating
S'mores.
marshmallow. Look at him.
They all learning together. Better together.
They put me on director duty, y'all. So what I gotta do is fall back a little bit. While we getting all the good foods together. Look what she did there. Let me see, sis. What she did?
You know, we're putting a little bit of seasoning on everything.
Okay.
Have a dessert before we eat, you know.
You know what I mean?
How we do.
Just-
I got a baller.
She got a little hot sauce,
A little Tabasco in there.
a little Tabasco,
I'll mix it out.
good seafood. Look at that.
Hey, I already made. What is that?
It's the wings, honey.
Yeah, you said I would be able to do
She's
this.
stirring it up. Got the shrimp over there.
Stirring it up.
Stirring it up. Stirring it up.
Now we're stirring it.
Booka don't hit nothing. Booka don't know what she doing. She's trying to get a marshmallow.
It's already done.
Booka is trying to get
There we go, y'all.
Ooh, Danielle, you got
Let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see that. Boom.
We're making waves. Joel, it is.
What time I get it? You know.
We're making s'mores.
Let me back it up. Let me back it up. Oh. She said. She gives a thumbs up. Hold on. Do it again. I'm sorry. Do it. One more. That's right. Booka got the gloves on. I mean, she getting serious, y'all.
Mine is.
Danielle's about to get on the grill. She's about to do the grill.
Let's get it.
Put the bowl on the.
Oh my God. Oh.
You got it. You got it.
Don't mind.
Wherever you want, on the side. Go ahead. We do this
Get it, Booka. Don't be scared. You only cooking, Booka, like being in the house. And I'm with a grill. Let the world see your skills, baby. Don't be shy. Stop being selfish.
They're alternate her nephew do. I mean, Danielle.
Oh no, I gotta get over on top of it now, cause
Gotta be fast.
got some chicken wings on there.
Gotta be fast.
Got some chicken wings on that grill.
Gotta be fast. It's gonna burn you.
Take your time though. Yeah, you gotta be fast. Alternate, I do it. You gotta be fast.
Close it now?
See, I would much rather cook y'all, but they want me to be the director.
Oh, you
They-
want much?
Is it good? How they taste? I never tasted
Look at
it.
this.
Yeah.
One.
I mean, try to turn all of it.
I'm about to. So I'm about to do. You know I cook. Don't play no games, bro. They burning. I'm like, take these all. They cook fast, like she said. This one done. Take this one off.
Take it off.
I need a pan. Yeah.
You said take this one off.
I need a pan. I was joking.
You was joking, babe? Babe, you want me to do it? Okay. Just use the stick by itself. I know.
I think
Good job, babe.
being all the way honest with this. Brent, like, you know how to grill. Brent, look.
I'm a bad man.
You don't know how to do. Okay.
I'm a bad
You
man.
talking about some bad man.
I'm a bad man.
He got that confidence. Even though he don't know 100%, he's still like doing
Exactly,
like he knows.
yeah.
He's doing like he knows how to do it.
Because it's burnt on one side, so.
No, it's not.
Oh, they're not burnt on the other side?
You're not.
Okay.
Just relax. I got it.
Okay.
I'm in position.
Okay.
Once the ball's in position, you just listen. You know what I'm talking about?
You just listen.
Put them together,
Babe, what did you just
Put them
do?
together.
You turned it up a little bit? Why you turned it up a little bit?
You got to cook a little faster.
Oh, okay.
You know what
Okay.
I'm saying? I got to get where I'm going.
You got to get where you're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
See this one? Need some more heat. Oh yeah, put that down right there. Put it in the middle. I like it in the middle right here.
You talking about... Okay. Okay, George Foreman.
I got to cook for these ladies. These ladies don't know how to cook, man. That's why I say I'm tired of being a cameraman. I got to showcase my talent. My damn
Okay,
skill.
babe.
They just going to sit on the side for nothing. I ain't sitting on the
That's
side
right,
for
Mookie.
nobody. I ain't got time. I'm going to work.
That's right,
Now,
Mo.
let me do me. And then when I get like this, that mean I get serious. I'm getting serious, okay? It's about to get physical out here, okay?
When I get like this.
When I get like this. When you see me flexing on the grill, it's real. See, that's why I said turn it up a little bit. Now, what's this one right here in the middle? See what I'm gonna do here is get the camera over here.
Okay.
See, I'm gonna turn the middle up one a little bit. 'Cause
Okay.
I want my steak medium red.
Okay.
And then I don't know how y'all want y'all's. They might want theirs well
No,
done.
that's y'all steak.
Oh, okay.
Where's the pork chop?
I don't really eat. We don't eat.
Y'all don't do
No,
pork,
listen.
right?
We don't eat red meat. We supposed to be eating red meat
Oh,
because
that's right.
we you know.
I can eat a little bit.
But we gonna eat it because you know
Yeah.
we doing this for y'all. So
We
don't
doing
y'all
this for them?
don't y'all judge me. So I'm doing this for y'all. That's all I'm saying.
Thank you so much.
And Mookie and Booka about to get down and dirty.
Put it on low.
Now, normally I like to have the top down.
You
but
got light?
when you put the top down, we all know you give it more more. If it cook fast, give it more temperature. You know? But see, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna let y'all know a little secret. I've been taking cooking lessons.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I went to cooking school. I went to cooking school, did a little something.
Oh, you did, babe?
Dropped out though, cause I knew too much. You see what I'm saying? That was the problem.
They said you was full of yourself?
Yeah, they said you too good.
Okay.
I'm cooking better than the instructor.
That makes about to do the pork chops, y'all.
See, yeah. I'm trying to drop the top one a little bit, let it get some heat. You know what I'm saying? The heat make it burn faster to get on the swinging meats. When I'm in a house or normally on meats, I ain't gonna lie. I like to cut
Go
I
ahead.
like to cut down in the middle of my meat so I can open it up.
Oh, when you
I
do
wanted to
sausage, when you make sausage.
get my meats, like I said, so I wanted to get down in there and really cook. So, you know what I mean? And look at Booka. Check out Booka. I don't know what she's doing. She's doing something. What's that you got in your hand, Boo?
Pork chop.
She said pork chop. She said pork.
We're about to show you our plates.
My plate on one time. But I was hungry. I'm sorry, I was hungry as a mother, so you know, you guys can't be mad at me. I was hungry.
You want to give the people the bad news about
So, unfortunately, we had a little mishap. The vegetables were left on the grill. However, the meat is here.
Girl.
She did that. She did that.
This man said, "What our mother and teacher's nut." So, what else do you cook? Since you cook so good.
I be scrambling my eggs.
Oh, you scramble eggs.
Dang, that food look
Look,
good.
hold on.
Dang.
Don't act like my eggs in the bomb.
You know, this food look
His
good, but
eggs
it
is
ain't
the
good.
bomb.
Here.
So other than eggs, what else do you cook?
A little bacon, you know what I'm
And what else?
saying? Chicken wings.
Oh, chicken.
Boy.
Oh, you cook chicken wings?
In my sleep, in my brain.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
in my sleep.
And what else do you cook? No, name the meats that you cook, because you keep saying you
That's
cook
it, that's it,
this and
that's
that. Okay, so right
Chicken,
here.
steak, pork chop.
Oh,
chicken
when do you pick?
Look at that, look at the lips.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright.
Alright.
I can't be you.
I only
You
can
can
be
be
me, so I can't be you. I'm about to grow up and watch this game.
Yeah.